Have you tried intermittent fasting, but instead of losing weight, you ended up feeling tired, irritable, or even gained a few extra pounds? You're not alone. Millions of Americans turn to YouTube searching for answers on why intermittent fasting isn't working for them. Even though it's popular for weight loss and longevity, many experience unwanted side effects, or no results at all. Is the problem with fasting itself, or with how it's being done? The number one mistake? Breaking the fast with inflammatory or ultra-processed foods. After hours without eating, your body is sensitive, and that first meal determines your energy, metabolism, and gut health. Too often, people reach for meals loaded with sugar, refined carbs, or fast food, sabotaging the benefits of fasting. The solution: break your fast with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Think avocado, pasture-raised eggs, oats, berries, and seeds like chia or flax. These foods provide steady energy, fiber, and healthy fats, helping your body transition out of fasting without spiking blood sugar. Also, stay well hydrated. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and lemon juice to your water. Functional teas like green tea, ginger, or peppermint curb appetite, improve digestion, and boost metabolism. Lastly, vary your fasting routine. Switch between different fasting windows to keep your metabolism active. With a few adjustments, you can turn fasting into a powerful ally for life. Subscribe to the Health Solutions channel for more tips on intermittent fasting. See you then.